Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail account name. So, if you watch this video till the end, you will be able to change the name of any Gmail account. Many times we need to change our names. So in this video, I will show you that step by step. So let's start today's video. First, you need to open the Gmail app on your phone. So after opening it, you will see a logo on the top right side. So you just have to click on this logo. After clicking, you will select your Gmail account from here. So all the Gmail accounts on your device will show up here. From here, select the Gmail account name you want to change. So I already have it selected here. That's why I can see an option called Manage Your Google Account from here. You will click here. After clicking, a page like this will appear in front of you. So on this page, you can see at the top that there is an option for personal information. So you just click here. After clicking here, you will see a section called Name. So you just have to click here. After clicking here, you will have to wait a bit. Then you will see a page like this. So here you can see there is a downgrade option. Just click here and wait a bit. This page will appear in front of you. On this page, you will just delete the name that is already there in the first name field. So I deleted it here. After giving it, I gave it a new name. After giving it, you will also need to change the surname here. You can change it if you want. So I'm making a change here. After making the changes, you will see a save option at the bottom. Before that, there is another option here. Who can see your name? Anyone can see this information, communicate with you, or view contacts that you create in Google services. That is, here you will see who you will contact, and if you use any other Google services, your name will be shown in them. After seeing these, just click on the Save option. After that, your name will be changed. In this way, you can change the name of any of your accounts, or change the name of your ID.